Hi guys, just to cover about the ad page. Okay, it's the first time for me to make a video as well, so just bear with me. It's about this book, right? Alright, Stephen, pertaining to your question earlier. Now, we have got a full back color advertisement, which is something like this, and it's 3,000 ringgit. And then full inner front page color advertisement, that's 2,000 ringgit. Full inner back page color advertisement, that's 1,000 ringgit. Now, and then the regular ones, the regular advertisements you get is 500 ringgit. Now, for example, let's say this is from Kamaraj, right? This is Kamaraj's company, and then this is from Emerine Mall, and then you have got, for example, let's say this one. This is from another Rotarian. He does landscaping business. So this is from Raj and Shirley. This is from their company, which is Purple Lens. And then this is my company, right? So, like for example, this is the back page, which is by Devika's dad, house transmission. Okay, so now the thing is this: those are the ads. But the thing is that how do you sell this ad to companies? Like, what is the purpose? Yes, you would need to have the invoice and everything. That will be very important. And I'll also share with you something that I've actually personally gone through. Number one is that when you sell the ads, you got to make sure that you're selling them the benefit of this. Now, when you come as a guest, you get this, and during that event itself, all the guests there are given this. Any guest directly visits the club gets a booklet like this. On top of that, it will be, this book will be there for a year. So the thing is that all these advertisements are going to be there for a year, and in some cases we have got more than one book, and there are cases where we actually receive and we give it to somebody else to use as well. So it is exposure, it is getting in touch or putting your brand in front of people that you wouldn't have access to without this channel. This doesn't replace your current marketing strategy, this doesn't replace your branding strategy, this is an add-on. And the good thing is, at the same time, you're doing good. Why? One second. Why? Because the thing is that the funds will be used to fund back to school projects. Now you can see projects, gift for reading project, blessing bags for the homeless, put a smile, vocational projects, international youth exchange program, peace caravan project. Now you tell me which advertising platform out there will be able to give you this sort of a exposure and at the same time give you an opportunity to do good. So this is your selling point. This is how you basically promote this book. Now, this book is absolutely very important for each and every one of us to advertise in. The reason is because 100% or at least about 90% of everything that we collect from this book will be going to the projects, whereby the dinner, the table, all the profits that is gained, that is earned, will be going to the projects. So this is very, very important, and like we'd like to do some great projects next year, and with your support, with your assistance, by getting us all these adverts, we will be able to pull off very big projects. And more importantly is that, not more importantly, lastly, you also get an acknowledgement, and all the names all written here, who are all the people who's actually donated. They are called our sponsors. They are not called the donors or anything. They are called sponsors. Alright, I hope that clears somewhat of the information. It's quite difficult for me to type all these things out, so I decided to make a video of it. Alright, thank you very much.